Yes, bafethu, sanibonani, sanibonani. Congratulations to Peter Shasha. Peter Shasha. I warn you, I'm an Orlando Pirates fan, but this guy, bro, yeah, not Dion Hot. I think buyers Tibazele South Africa, and I think buyers how lucky they are to Bola in South Africa. Yes, and Imala Ina. You'll never hear Dion Hot complete. You'll never hear Peter Shasha complete. You see to celebrate njani, it has a message. It has a message celebration yakhe. You can look mawukhona ukubona ukuthi anything abamenzayo you never see ushalile ayo emaphepheni athi abangidlalisi mara yimi top strike, you'll never see. You'll never hear anything from Shalulile except for football. Phela. He is known for Kora. I'm happy for Shalulile mfethu. Mfethu. Kule game eChiefs umntwana bekadeserve ukuthi angene bro wami. Shalulile mfethu, hayi keep your head up mfana. Keep your head up mfana. And samafeni wePirates siyakuthanda man. Danko.